Short on space? That doesn't mean you have to be short on style ideas. Home decor for small spaces is all about making every inch count. All you have to do is look to the tiny house movement to see just how fantastic a small kitchen can be. Read on to learn about big ideas for decorating small kitchen spaces. Get organized. The very first thing on your kitchen and dining room to-do list should be to declutter. When you're working in a small space, having it messy and disorganized can make it feel absolutely claustrophobic. See your reflection. Use mirrors, glass, and metallics to bounce light around your compact kitchen. This makes the whole room appear bigger and brighter. Another way to do this is by replacing your opaque cabinets with glass. This one little decorating trick instantly opens up the look of your entire room. Install shelves. Floating shelves and open shelves make the most of every inch of your small dining room. They also take up space on an empty wall. Win-win! Make your shelves a part of your decorating scheme. If you have a bright colored wall, then try floating shelves painted to match. If you have neutral walls, then try wood or dark colored shelves anchored with metal brackets. Open shelves are a quaint way to store your dishes and glasses. These elements add texture and color that make your room even more unique. You can also add decorating elements like an artsy centerpiece or vase as well. Inject a pop of color. Choose decor in a palette with light neutrals combined with colors that coordinate well without contrasting too much. Very bold colors with high contrast can make the space appear smaller. Instead of going high contrast, choose more similar colors and play with prints and textures. You'll satisfy the need for visual variety without sacrificing the trick of making your small kitchen look bigger. Don't skimp on furniture. When faced with a small room, lots of people's instinct is to keep the furniture to a minimum. That's a mistake. Well-selected and strategically placed furniture can actually make the room seem much roomier. Not to mention, it gives you a place to sit and enjoy dining in your kitchen. Round shapes are a brilliant choice here. They provide the surface and amenity of the furniture without the annoying corners to maneuver around. You can easily find a round breakfast table or dining table. Go for a table that's tall and round for a double dose of space and design efficiency. Let the light shine in. Do you have a source of natural light in your kitchen or dining space? Then don't let your decor get in the way. Choose decor elements like window treatments that are light in color and allow natural light to shine in. Also, don't cramp on your window space. Give it plenty of room to feel bigger and brighter. If you aren't fortunate enough to have a window in your room, try decorating with light instead. Add a unique light fixture over your dining table. Look for lighting ideas that disperse an even glow throughout the space. You can even look into under-cabinet lighting to brighten things up. Decor is personal, so remember to have fun with your kitchen and make the room your own. These ideas are a great jumping-off point for making the most out of your small space. The right combination of furniture, color, organization, and light can make your tiny dining room feel positively spacious.